So in California, we live in a very immigrant-rich state. 1 out of 4 people who resides in the state was born in another country. 1 out of 2 children who reside in the state live in a household headed by someone who was born in a foreign country. So you're gonna see non-citizens in court, and the consequences for non-citizens are far, far greater.
In Padilla, the Supreme Court held that criminal defense counsel has an obligation under the Sixth Amendment to affirmatively offer correct immigration advice to immigrant criminal defendants.
Well, Mr. Padilla was a veteran. He had had a green card for 40 years, and he was arrested and charged with possession for sale of a controlled substance. And his attorney said, using common sense, well, my goodness, you're a vet, you've got a green card for 40 years, nothing could possibly happen to you, let's just plead to this, you won't be deported.
There's no magic boilerplate language that is easy to say that solves this problem. You have to do the work of figuring out your client's situation, checking the immigration law, either with a book or consultation with an immigration lawyer, figure out what's actually going on, and then try to stop the acts.
Get the only California-specific book on this topic. Be confident you are providing the effective counsel required by the U.S. Supreme Court. Protect your client's immigration interests in both misdemeanor and felony cases. Identify alternative acceptable pleas and avenues to post-conviction relief. Learn the best practices for research, investigation, negotiation, and resolution.
So the point of the book is to give people the tools to look it up so that you can make a knowledgeable choice in crafting a disposition and deciding whether to go to trial and looking at different pleas. Why are criminal defense attorneys in there in the first place? They're in there to help their clients. Mm-hmm. And what good is it to come home and say, wow, I got them only 4 months, or I got them 16 months instead of 3 years, and then it turns out the person's going to be deported to Cambodia because you didn't look it up. I think for criminal defense attorneys, it's really righteous work, it's amazing work, sometimes it's discouraging work, but if you have the information, you can save a family.